Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker SOUNDCORE Select 4 Go. You have to start by check is your Bluetooth is turned on, so go to the settings, Bluetooth, and if it's turned off, just turn on it and tap on your device. And we have connection. If it didn't help you, the first one what we should do is to perform a soft reset. So at the top of the speaker we have all controls. You need to press and hold at the power button to turn off your speaker. Now the speaker is disconnected from your phone, so then we press one time at the power button to turn on it, and it will reconnect to your phone and maybe it can fix your problem. So we should have see connection and we can see it. Cool. If it also didn't help you, the next one what we should do is to remove and add speaker from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker at the device list, then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after that press one time at the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Now we should see it at the device list, tap on it, and if you have Android, also click pair new device. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press Bluetooth button and volume up button simultaneously until your speaker is turned off. Now we press it and just wait. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove this phone. We need to remove the speaker from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget and forget. After a factory reset, the speaker enters to pairing mode automatically. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android. So tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!